So today is the 13th of May. We have a male Marsh Harrier which was rescued on the 26th of March with a fracture to its left wing. The bird was rescued from Mellieħa in Gordo, and after some time at rehab with us, now it is ready to be released. We're on Comino and we will be releasing this bird now. Okay, 13th of May, we're releasing this male Common Kestrel which was found shot on the 27th of March from Siġġiewi. The bird originally had a fracture to the left wing, and now after over a month in rehab the bird is ready to be released. It's been ringed and now we are releasing it on Comino. Very good. Oh. 13th of May, this is the third bird we are releasing today on Comino, a female Common Kestrel which was rescued by the APU from Shoplagin on the 27th of March, on the same day of the other bird. And after suffering shotgun injuries, the bird has healed completely, has been ringed, and we can now release it back into the wild. Alright.
Today we are in Adira Nature Reserve. We have two female Common Kestrel, both of them found injured by a member of public. This one was found on the 17th of April in Chadwick Lakes. And over here, this one was found on the 31st of March in Zebuch. And after some time in our care, they are ready to be released.
To show the rings, you can mention that they were ringed.
Yes, they were. Both of them were ringed.
Okay, so shall we release them?
One moment.
One, two.
So here we have a Marsh Harrier. This is a female, and this bird was confirmed shot on its migration north to its breeding grounds. We picked this bird up on the 2nd of May from Nadur, Gozo, and just after 3 weeks or so in our care, the bird is now ready for release. So we're releasing this second Marsh Harrier. This one, it's a male bird, and this was picked up on the 27th of March from Burmarad. This bird was also confirmed shot, and it had suffered an injury to its left wing. And now it's also ready to be released. Today is the 20th of May 2021, and in my hand I have an Eleonora's Falcon. We picked this bird up from a card. It was found in March 2020, so it's been 14 months now that this bird has been under our care. This bird was picked up wearing jesses on its foot, and the jesses signify that this bird was being kept illegally in captivity. After a long recovery process, this bird is now set to be released, and we would expect the species to go and nest in the Mediterranean. They overwinter, the whole population, in Madagascar. And before release, we have also fitted a BirdLife Malta ring to its leg. Just in case this bird is found again, this helps to track the movements of this bird. This Eleonora's Falcon is the first one that we've actually had in rehabilitation, and it's also the first Eleonora's Falcon to be ringed in Malta as well. It's the 28th of May 2021. We are on Comino, which is a designated bird sanctuary, and today we are releasing a couple of birds that have been under our care and rehabilitation. The first bird we're releasing is this Pallid Harrier. This bird was picked up from Zebuj Gozo on the 17th of April, and the person who found this bird is actually holding it right now.
Yes, we found it in Zebuj. We're on our way to visit our land, me and my brother, and we saw an injured bird rushing on the floor, and we took a small video of it, and we covered it, collected it, gave it to ALE police, and well, I asked specifically to be able to release it myself once it's rehabilitated, and I have the pleasure of doing so. Thank you very much.
So after the police took the bird, they handed it over to us at BirdLife Malta because the bird was taken to the government vet, who said that the bird was okay to be rehabilitated, but they did confirm that the bird had suffered gunshot wounds to the left wing. So now, after a period of time, the bird is now ready to be released.
Lovely.
Go on, buddy.
Okay, so the second bird we're releasing today is this Black Kite, and this bird was picked up from the police from Delamara on the 18th of April. And after seeing the government vet again, the bird was confirmed shot, but luckily it was recommended for rehabilitation. The bird had suffered a broken right wing, but luckily the bird has completely healed now, and it's now ready to be released as well. And so the last bird we're releasing today is this Marsh Harrier. This bird was picked up by us on the 12th of April from Zurich, and after being seen by the vets, they confirmed that unfortunately this bird had also suffered a gunshot injury. This bird had sustained a broken right wing, and now finally the bird is ready to be released. All the birds that we're releasing today have also been fitted with a BirdLife Malta ring on the leg. So just in case any of these birds are seen again or recovered somewhere else, they will be tracked back to Malta on this day. So this will help us follow the movements of the birds as well on their migration.